Looking for SpermMax? You are in the right place. But why do men have low semen levels, you may be asking? Here are the significant reasons why some men have low semen volumes. 1. Declining testosterone levels. Most men have a considerable drop in their T levels as they grow older, and their semen levels also drop. 2. Psychological issues. Men with mental problems such as depression, stress, and anxiety have problems getting into intimate moods. Therefore, a poor emotional state lowers the quality and quantity of semen. 3. Weak pelvic floor muscles. According to experts, these muscles offer support to the bladder and bowels and, therefore, can affect your overall sexual performance. 4. Retrograde ejaculation. Normally, semen should be ejaculated via the bladder. However, the semen travels back to the penile bladder in some men instead of being ejaculated outside. SpermMax is really the world's top-selling product called SpermMax. Here are some features. 1. SpermMax is clinically proven to improve semen volume and motility. 2. All SpermMax ingredients are said to be 100% natural and safe. 3. Leading-edge health claims SpermMax boosts sexual health with zero side effects. 4. Each purchase comes with a 67-day money-back guarantee. 5. SpermMax is available without a prescription. 6. It is ideal for adult men of all ages. 7. Each purchase comes with free shipping and special discounts. Take the free test in the link below to discover if you can increase your volumes to shoot bigger loads. Thanks for watching.